of food in our daily life include salads like beetroot, cucumber, carrots, etc. They all have important role in our daily life and improve the digestive health and fulfill the requirement of water in our daily life. Like the beetroot helps avoid the situation of cancer and in problem of blood clot, pressure lowering. And the carrot have vitamin A and avoid and protect the problems of skin diseases. Cucumber have vitamin A and vitamin A. And the onion has anti-inflammation production and improve the skin problems. Thank you.
Like, thank you for giving me this opportunity and it's my pleasure to introduction for myself. I am in class 12. Now my topic is vegetables. Vegetables are very beneficial to our health. It improves our quality and improve our immunity boost and very useful to our body. It has many vitamins, proteins and is very beneficial to our health.
Are here for giving the presentations of pulses. Pulses are a rich source of proteins. It belongs to the legume family. Proteins are also known as the powerhouse of proteins. Approximately 60% of your human body is made up of proteins. Doctor advised we include per day diet proteins and soybeans also. Proteins include black lentils, soybean, chickpeas and green grams. Thank you very much.